So tonight I've just come out to Fairy Meadow. It's probably about 20 minutes from home for a car meet, and I just spotted it on Facebook and thought I'll come down and check it out because Wollongong's just got so many really cool cars, and they've come out tonight. There's a bit of a storm threatening, so it feels like a bit of weather coming, but they're all out and having a good time. So I hope you enjoy what we've got to show you. So here we are. So a bit of a cruise night tonight here in Wollongong, the Big K Kebab joint. So I haven't been here before, and the idea was just to come down and see what's going on. So not meant to start yet, but there's already plenty of cars cruising in. I'll be getting in a bit early to get something to eat. These blokes are pretty much first in. How we going, fellas? You don't have to jump out of the way. This one's you, obviously.
Yeah, I used to own your compact.
You used to?
I bought it.
So I was talking to you down at Black Beach?
Yeah, when you had the shop.
Down at Black Beach?
Oh, yeah. I called
yep.
him, yeah.
I remember.
Where is it now?
I reckon I judged this. No idea.
No, where did you judge it? Oh, you did once?
Yeah,
you did.
Kiama, yeah.
I sold it a while back and I bought it back again.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. I sold it to an old bloke down an hour.
Yeah.
He come up to me at a car show and he said when he was young, he bought one, him and his brother went halves in it, and they used to hill climb.
Right.
And he said, I've looked at about 10 of them all over the country. He said, the one I had was diamond white. And he said, I've looked all over the country trying to buy one. It was down in Nowra, Albatross.
Right.
And he said, mate, I've come and looked at your car. And he said, just like I bought it, gone into the showroom and it's brand new. Everyone else I looked at, I'm not happy with it.
Yeah.
He said, this is like brand new, you know. He said, will you sell it? And that time I said, no, I don't want to sell it. And then a mate of mine built a Mustang. He'd had it for 27 years. He put 2,000 kilometres on it, right-hand drive, but it was full fuel injected. He put 3 engines in it, right, and just kept building. He'd never built a motor.
Yeah.
He put a Richmond 6-speed in it. He had a bloke down at Kingsgrave that used to do painting, but he used to paint push bikes and do all the
all the scrolls and
but
stuff.
He used to use, it's called citrus baked enamel.
Right.
He used to paint in that, right? And every nut and bolt, every bracket on it was citrus baked enamel. And
so
my mum got dementia and he come up for sale and I bought it.
Oh, okay. I was just going to say. So what happened?
That's why I sold this. I sold this to the old bloke. I rang him up and said, come and get it.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to buy the Mustang.
Yeah, right.
And then he had it in his garage about 3 years and it just fell dilapidated because he didn't even put a bit of polish on it. You know?
I think people don't realise that. Like, you can have a nice car, but if you just shed it, then they go off, you know.
Look, I polish this. I'm 73 now, but every week, I go out in this car every week. People look at it and say, you wouldn't ride this. I drive it every week. I don't have coffee in it every Sunday or go out every Saturday.
Yep.
I won't drive it in the rain if I avoid that, but I'll come home, jack it up in the garage, I've got nothing, and I'll lie underneath it and clean it, you know what I mean? Then I'll polish the whole car, road, and it takes me an hour and a half to polish.
And that's what you love to do, obviously.
And I love it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, very good. They all sound the same, don't they?
Oh,
when you open them.
Well, it's a matching number car, and it's got bigger pistons in and aluminium heads because I like them like that.
Yep. So a few boys turning up now, so just I'll come back outside the gate here so I can just wander through and get a few images. There's a bit of a storm threatening, but the boys that seem to know the weather are saying that it's probably not going to hit us, but sort of a half chance. How we going? So this one's my son-in-law. Lucky it's not a VL, it's just a VK. Tidy little car. How you going, Tyke? Good? Bit of bling, bit of bling. Righto, so that's all a bit complicated for me. So give me a bit of an idea what's going on in the engine bay.
Righto, so we've got a twin cam RB engine. It's a 3.2 litre stroker with a RB26 cylinder head. It's got a 94mm Pro Mod turbocharger. It's got a CPC billet plenum on it, billet tapper covers, billet water pump, radiator, a few custom bits and pieces in there.
So it's been together a while, hasn't it, this one?
Yeah, I built the car originally 08, 09 around there, and then I gave it a big revamp for about 2011. It took me a couple of years to get it done, having kids and stuff, and life got in the way. But yeah, I finally got back into it and got it finished around 2018, 2019, and then I unveiled it at the Summer Nats Made Top 60 Elite end of 2019, early 2020, before this COVID nonsense hit.
Yeah.
And
Made life difficult for all of us, hasn't it?
It has. I've just been getting it out with the kids and the family and just trying to enjoy it as much as possible.
That's the way to go. All right, mate. Very nice. Thanks very much.
No problem.
Here's something you don't see every day. To the point where I don't even know where it is. Little babies. Whatever, it's got a rotor in it. Hasn't even got a badge on it to tell me what it is. What is it?
I thought it was an England or something, but it's not. It hasn't got the window. I don't have a clue what it is.
No, I don't know either.
Is it an Ullman or something?
Doesn't matter.
It's pretty cool.
It's tidy eel.
Should have a spray gun in the other hand, you know?
Okay. Who's this?
Not
Don't
mine.
know. Doesn't matter.
There you go.
I'm good, mate. Can't complain at all.
Wish I still had my first one.
We all wish we had our first ones.
Yeah.
We're giving them all away.
Yep.
A couple of cars here. Pretty sure both these are ex-top 10 Summer Nats cars, these ones. See the owner over there putting the kebab in, so I won't go and grab him yet. But these guys stay at the same hotel as us at Summer Nats. You want to go on the camera, Georgia? No? Nice bit of variety here, anyhow. Funny little car park, it's filling up pretty quick. So this one's been painted a while. The old Super X. Left hand drive.
Chicken, mashed potato, and that's salad.
Oh, I'm good, mate. Yourself? Nice tidy Fairmont. Reminds you of all those cars you shouldn't have sold. Well, let's put a bit of time into machining up that engine, that's for sure. Very nicely finished. Lots of detail. So this is a car that's normally at the same motel as us at the Summernet. So it probably hasn't been there for a couple of years now, but I really love this car. It's a Wollongong car, obviously, because we're in Wollongong. But mate, tell me a bit about it. So what year did it first go to Summernets?
2005, I believe. Summernet's 18.
Because I remember when you first were there, you know, at the car park and cleaning and messing about and all that sort of stuff. So I had it in my head, you made top 60 obviously, but it went better than that, didn't it?
Yep, done the top 20.
Top 20?
So the first year I think I did top tutor. The second year I did top retro tech, and then back to top tutor.
Did it get a paint or a body award at some stage as well?
No, I don't know. It was just tutor.
It should have. I mean, it's a beautiful car.
It's held up all right for its age
So
now.
you're just saying you'd sort of up the wheel spec a bit?
Yeah, gone from 17s to 20s, 19s and 20s. 19s at the front and 20s at the back.
So what did it do to the ride?
You know what, I reckon it drives better.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I do.
Cool. Because, you know, normally you think, oh, look, go to 20s and all of a sudden you lose that bit of forgiveness in the tyre. It makes it ride a bit
but
rougher.
they don't really handle that well normally anyway,
Never
so
handle very
that's
well,
right.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's nice and a bit taller up on the road, but
So does it get out much?
I try to locally, yeah.
Yep.
I was actually, after this year's Nats, I was actually trying to G up the boys to get back there.
Mate, it was a good year this year.
Yeah.
Look, I mean, if you want to go and find the rubbish, you can find it, but we're all normally back to the motel by about 6 o'clock an hour. But the best thing this year was the thing in at Braddon, so the Braddon Fringe Festival.
Yes, that looked really good.
It was awesome. So, I mean, the opportunity, a car like this, you can just cruise down there, park it, go and get a feed.
That's right.
Be comfortable that no one's going to wreck it or anything.
Show days are over. That's why I'm trying to get them to go down there.
Yeah, but
enjoy
I mean, it was like for me, it made the Summer Nats.
Yep.
And we were in there a couple of hours wandering around with a bloody camera and a light and stuff, but just to be walking down the street with nice cars and I reckon there was 20,000 people down there.
I saw some of the footage, and you know what? It looked better than inside the Nats. Some of it.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I mean, for the genuine, you know, the people that come out here, there's no doubt in my mind that's what the Fringe Festival did was what we like to do.
Yep.
Yeah. Cool as. Well, hopefully you might see you down this year.
Yeah, I'm trying to get these guys to go because there's a couple of elite cars here that from 15 years ago, whatever, or more, and it's about enjoying them.
Cars.
And they still are.
Yeah,
that's right.
Exactly right.
All right, it's been driven, so.
Good chat, mate. A sneaky one to Georgia. All right, mate.
You must be Howard Astill.
That's me. How are you? Hey?
There's someone that's a guru, as they
Something
say.
like that, yeah.
Doctor.
You want to come and talk to me about it? You want to talk to me about it?
Yo, man.
Come on. So no one wants to talk to me now. Come on. I won't put you in the film. All you got to do is talk. Because I'm a Ford guy, so I don't know what's going on. I can't talk about it.
I want to know what's going on, but you're in trouble.
That's the Barra, is it? There was a hot rod down here too, but it's gone now. That blue looks nice in that light, look at that.
Yeah.
Harlequin. I haven't seen any of that for a while. Sort of stuff I like, that really nice detail. There's my granddaughter and my wife checking the cars out. You like that one, Georgia?
Yeah.
Super nice, clean streeter. Just parked across the road. Bit unfortunate the fuel delivery turned up when it did tonight, but it's the way things go, I suppose.
Oh, did buy a house. Finally.
Surprised about tax ain't yeah, either with his road.
Hang on, Jack. Hang on, Luigi.
Get to the queue.
Just film in the cars.